Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make some easy and cheap DIY Halloween treats. And before we get started with this video, today's post notification shout out goes to this person. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on my post notifications and comment #notificationfam down below in the comments. And let's get started. So first we're going to be making Halloween donuts. These don't really taste like donuts, they just taste like cupcakes because we're going to be using cake mix. But this is like the easier, lazier way, I guess, to make donuts, but they still taste amazing. So all you're going to need is frosting and sprinkles, and the sprinkles came with the frosting, so I thought that was perfect. Next, you're going to need Halloween Funfetti cake mix, which I got from Target, as well as a donut pan, which I also got from Target. So all I'm doing is making the cake, so I just poured the cake mix as well as some water and oil and 3 eggs into a bowl and mix that all together. And just be sure to follow the directions on whatever cake mix that you buy. And once you finish mixing all of the batter together, you're going to place the cake batter into a Ziploc bag and then cut off a small section of the bag so that you can squeeze out the cake batter into the donut pan. And you don't want to place as much as I did. I placed a little bit too much. And you're going to bake this for 10 minutes at 350 degrees in the oven. Just be sure to have a parent do this if you are younger. And keep an eye on the donuts as well when they're baking. For my oven, it only took 10 minutes, but I know it could take different amounts of time for other people. Once the donuts came out of the oven, I just placed some frosting on them as well as sprinkles, and I thought they turned out so cute, you guys. This was so easy to make. I know it's basically just cupcakes that look like donuts. I understand that, but I guess they're a little bit healthier than actual donuts because you're not frying them, but still, I thought they turned out super cute, and I made this scene all extra with like the fairy lights and everything. I don't know, I just thought it was super cute. So the next treat are bat bites, and all you're going to need is some frosting. You're not going to need the sprinkles, but we're just using the frosting as like an adhesive to like stick all the ingredients together. You're also going to need Oreos. I just bought the Joe's O's ones from Trader Joe's, as well as some candy eyes and Reese's miniature cups. Not the Reese's minis because I showed those in the last clip, but those are too small. You need this size because I actually had to go out and stop filming this video and buy the actual size because I bought the wrong ones. So all you're going to do is take the frosting off of the Oreos or fake Oreos, whatever you're using, and then you're just going to split the cookie in half and then unwrap a Reese's peanut butter cup. And yeah, like I said, buy this size, the ones that are wrapped, because the other ones are like way too small. So next, I'm just taking a little bit of frosting and placing that on the cookies, and I just did this to the other cookie as well. You really don't need that much frosting. And then I just did the same thing. I added some frosting to the candy eyes and placed that on the Oreos, and that was it. I just kept repeating this process. This is probably the easiest treat. It's just super, super simple. And yeah, that's all you have to do. So this is what the bat bites turned out to look like. That's what they call them on Pinterest. By the way, all of these recipes I did find on Pinterest. For some of them, I'm using different ingredients. But yeah, I tried to like spice them up and use some of my own ingredients. But I will have all of the original recipes linked down below. So the next recipe and the last recipe are marshmallow pops. So all you're going to need are marshmallows, of course, as well as candy melts or chocolate chips like I'm using, and some sprinkles. First, I'm just melting some chocolates, and I just placed it in the microwave in a microwave safe bowl for 30-second intervals. Just be sure to keep an eye on it. I sound like your mom, but seriously, use a microwave safe bowl. Next, I just placed a cake pop stick in a marshmallow so that it was easier to dip inside of the chocolate. And as you can tell, I just dipped the marshmallow in the chocolate and added some sprinkles, and that was it. It was super, super easy, but these are so delicious, you guys. Very easy and inexpensive to make as well. If you guys recreate any of these DIY Halloween treats, be sure to send me pictures on Instagram or Twitter. You could even Snapchat me if you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY Halloween treats video. If you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment #notificationfam once you have turned on my notifications. And that's about it. I will talk to you guys in my next video on Thursday. I upload new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So be sure to subscribe and join the family. And we're super close to 60,000, so I would love if we reach that by the end of the year.